Hey guys, in today's video, let's look at the process of setting up custom alerts and avoid the ugly default alerts that come with Bubble. And let me show you this with a demonstration. So by default, on a login page for this app that we have, if you do not enter anything and you just click on login, you get this alert saying please include an email. As you can see, this isn't particularly aesthetic, nor it gives a good user experience. And let's see how to fix this. So first, each of these alerts come from a Bubble setting, a project setting, which is in the settings field under the general settings tab, if I remember right. Yes, under the languages tab, where you have a section for application tests and messages. And here is where it is interesting. So here, if you search for the same error, right, you get an error called please include an email with a no email code. And to override that, and it may be wise to set up a way of setting up these alerts, handling these alerts, but I will show you quickly on how to do this, and I'll show you a better way in upcoming videos. So here in Bubble, when you click on event, you have a option called an element has a workflow. And an element has an error running a workflow, and here you have options for, actually this is not the one, let me just go back here. There should be an option for unhandled error, probably. Let me delete this, let me just copy this and let me just delete this. So here when I click an event, I'm going to redo this from scratch, and unhandled error occurs. This is an unhandled error, and this is for element workflow error or any workflow error. Let's choose element workflow errors because what we are trying to handle is coming from an element. And when you paste this, I'm just going to handle it. I have that already in my clipboard. So here I want to show an alert saying that an error has occurred and current workflow errors message is so and so. And when I do this, as you can see, let me just minimize this again, right? And as you can see now, when you click on login, the ugly error is gone, and I have a more aesthetic looking alert triggered by my custom alert software, custom alert functionality. And in this case, I use Error Alerts, which is a beautiful plugin from Airdev. And in this way, you can override Bubble's default alerts with more aesthetic looking alerts.